Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at some new cables from DLAND. Now these are slick. I'm sure you will probably think the same thing. I'll show you this main feature here. There's 4 cables, 2 of them at 1 meter and 2 of them at 2 meters. That's 3.3 feet and 6.5 feet. Here's a little short one. Take a look at this. Now, does that look a little bit different to you for a USB2a? Well, that is just a little bit different for a USB2a. You cannot get that baby in there upside down. Either way, it's reversible. The rest of the cable, it's a high quality, shielded, and it has a nylon braiding on it so that it doesn't tangle up as much as the plastic coated ones. Check this out. You stretch it out, and there it is. No tangling. The micro head is, although not particularly different from anything else, it's standard but well built. I don't know if I can get that to focus in there. The micro jack goes all the way in there. It doesn't just stop at the bezel base. I have had them bend in there, brush up against something while you're charging a device on your belt. Bend over, screw up the port. Now with this one, that is all metal, all the way in there. 2 shorties and 2 longies. With a USB2a reversible head. I just cannot say how convenient that is. Rather than driving along and you need to plug in your GPS. You get the 2B in there fine, you can see that. And you have to fumble around down in the console there. It's like, which end is up? Whoa! Hey, with that, it don't matter. Either end is up. 4-pack from DLAND. Large cable's the same, it's just larger, longer. That is worth the trip.